Hello, it's me, Ruby Elaine, but you can call me Ellie. Chink! Hello, lovelies! Welcome to another vlog with me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing products na kakalabas lang sa Philippine market. All of these products that I'm going to show you is limited edition. Ako, as a beauty consultant for 5 years now, pag may limited edition, kinokollect ako talaga siya. I have so many makeup products, skincare products na limited edition ko nakuha. Pero hanggang ngayon, nasa akin sila and maganda pa yung performance, imagine. So I'm going to do a quick, warm sunset vibes na makeup, eye makeup, and then we're going to try the heart-shaped lipsticks. Aling kami sa event at hindi naman masyadong nagamit ang kagandahan ko today. So, meron na tayong base. Yan, if you can see. Ang hindi pa lang natin nalalagay is yung eyeshadow, yung kilay. And this one is just a lip balm lang siya. Going to do now my eye makeup. Ito, excited talaga ako dito sa products na to because palettes make me crazy. At itong palette na to, itong limited edition palette na to, lahat ng favorite colors ko or favorite eyeshadows ko nandito na in one. And the heart-shaped lipstick, maganda kasi meron siyang red, merong pink, and merong nude. So perfect for everyone. Kung nude girl ka, kung red girl ka, or kung pink girl ka, lahat ng colors available for you. And this is very unique, very millennial ang style. Kaya nagustuhan ko talaga agad siya. Okay na yung brows na yan. And what I like about this palette is meron siyang meron na siyang mirror. So I can see myself here na. Just going to remove it. Wow. For the base, we're going to use the Sienna Skies. This one. Ganda ng color nito, guys. Ayan, ganyan siya. And we're going to blend it all over and over. Parang ito yung base color natin. It is between kind of like orangey. Ito yung hinahanap ko dati na wala pa sa makeup line natin. Maglalagay lang tayo ng onting Dream Big Brown. This one. Sa ating, para magkaroon ng shape yung ating eyes. Ayan. This one is very, very pigmented and very easy to blend. That's why I love it. Love ko na agad siya. First time to use it but I'm loving it. You see, dito ko lang siya nilalagay. Yung pinaka-definition ng eye makeup yun. There. Dito ko na lang siya nilagay. Where my eye folds. Pwedeng medyo itaas kasi syempre pag nag-fold na yan, hindi na makita, diba? So I'm going to add just a little bit more. Starting here. And then working my way to this side. I'd like to make it sharp pa. So I'm going to just take Dream Big Brown and then put some here plus here. Yan. I-extend ko yung aking eyes para maganda tingnan. Tapos gusto ko maglagay ng onting Dream Big Brown ulit dito. Like that. Pero mas gusto ko pa siyang lagyan ng kulay with the Sienna Skies here sa beginning. Yan dito. So, medyo onti siya ng light shade. Iwan ko yung center part because I'm going to put naman golden possibilities there. Sa color dito sa ating gitna, I'm going to start with Bronze Horizon. Sa gitna, just put it there. Okay. Some more. Like that. Since this is not a foil eyeshadow, hindi siya masyadong shiny, but I love the color combination of this eye shadows. Ayan, nasa zoom na daw sila kasi may meeting ako, guys. Wait lang po. And then I'm going to put some golden possibilities here. Just a bit of it para medyo may white shine. There. Is I'm going to put golden possibilities dito sa yan, here. Medyo kalat-kalat. Pero that's the idea. Diba? It opens up the eyes. Kulang pa siya. I'm taking Dream Big to darken pa. And also on this side. Parang nakukulangan ako sa blush ko. So, I'm going to apply this one. This one is a Chow Cream Blush. One of my favorite products, new products for this year in Simply Rosy. Super pigmented ito, and this one is a liquid blush. So, kailangan very ingat kayo sa pag-apply. One dot goes a long way. So, ngayon ay magto 2 dots tayo. Goes a long way, tapos 2 dots. No? Brush, a fluffy brush. So, I'm going to use my old Shopee lashes. I bet kailangan ko na tong palitan. So, yun, buti na lang mag-11. And after putting the lashes, I'm going to try na the heart-shaped lipstick. Yay! Alam niyo, lutang talaga ako today. Nakalimutan ko mag-mascara, guys. Susunod na lang natin. But don't do this at home, ha? Unahin niyo. Unahin yung mag-mascara. Nakalimutan ko lang talaga siya. Oh my God. Ganda ng lashes na to, no? So, siguro ganito na lang din ang bibilhin ko next time. Amazing! Hindi kami, pero parang ayaw nila akong pasukin sa Zoom. Dahil wala akong link. Okay, nilagay ko lang to before akong pumasok sa aming meeting. Parang di pantay, guys. Parang di pantay yung lashes ko. Isa pa yung kabila nito. Parang iba to. Na lang natin mamaya. Hindi pantay yung lashes. Oh my God, mas mahaba yung isa. No! Okay lang yan. Ayan. Pantay talaga siya, guys.
Nice.
Oh my God! Ano ka ba? Ano ka ba? Ibang lista. Ayan. Dapat pala itataas-taas lang. O, diba? Yarn! So, I'm going to put some Sienna Skies underneath. Plus, I'm going to also put some golden possibilities here. Yan, o, diba? This is one of my favorite limited edition. Tignan nyo naman, super used up na siya. But this one is a highlighter. It's called Canary Diamond. Highlighter ng everything yan.
Nice.
So I'm just going to put some on my eye area. Right? Yan. O, diba? Yan. Plus, we're going to put some here. Meron na tayong pinot kanina, pero hindi ako content sa shine na binibigay niya. But I'm a shine girl, so ayan, tapos na ang Zoom meeting. So, pagpatuloy na natin ang ating nasimulan. So, of course, I'm going to contour my nose. Very, very quick. Hindi ko na siya ilagay sa video. Okay, so yan, let's try na talaga. First off, I'm going to try this one is the nude one. Gulat ako kanina, nagtaka ako kasi fresh from the box. Lubog siya, hindi siya ganyan. Ito pala, meron siyang switch dito sa dulo niya. Wherein, ayan, ito yung gagamitin mo para tumaas siya. In fairness, maganda siya. Tsaka, gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganito. Na perfect MLBB shape siya. Shade siya. Ganda. And yung shape niya, since heart shape, yung patusok niya is very swak doon sa aking Cupid's bow. Ay, ang ganda. I love it. Let's try naman this one. Gold red. So, ganun din siya. Meron siyang switch dito. Ganon. Para lumabas siya. And tingnan natin, ito ha. Tingnan natin kung swak na swak siya kanina. Kasi hindi makita. Hindi makita kasi nude yun or MLBB shade. So, this one is red. So, makikita talaga natin. Ayan. Oy, swak nga. Swak nga. Oh, ayan. Oh. Tapos, kahit na i-move mong ganon, swak pa rin siya. Very good. Cute na siya na shape kasi heart shape, pero may purpose pa pala rin yung heart shape na yan. This one pala is matte finish and very moisturizing pa rin siya sa lips. Pagka red niya is very much red. Hindi siya yung matingkad na red eh. This is the red na bagay sa akin for everyone kung gusto mo mag-play safe sa red type. So this is the perfect color of the reds. With each purchase of limited edition Mary Kay heart-shaped lipstick, $1 will be donated to Look Good, Feel Better. This is one of our causes or organization. Mary Kay has helped women around the world realize their full potential. Your purchase of this limited edition contributes to that legacy of giving. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing and product review of our new and limited edition palette. Ayan, limited edition Mary Kay palette. Meron pala siya sa likod. I hope you liked then our limited edition heart-shaped lipsticks in Natural Confidence or Bold Red. So if you are looking where to buy these products, andyan na aking mga link. I'm a certified Mary Kay beauty consultant and sales director. You can visit my page. You can connect with me through my social media channels there. If you don't have a beauty consultant, of course, if may beauty consultant na kayo, sa kanya kayo magtanong on how you can get this. Alright, so thank you so much everyone. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and see you next vlog. Bye!